Guys, welcome back to the garage. I have a treat today for myself. You guys already know what it is because you see the title and the thumbnail, but my parents are amazing and they know my birthday's coming up, so they bought me a gift for the garage, and today I'm going to unbox it and we'll check it out. It should be pretty cool. Alright, this thing weighs 90 pounds, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to open it. It is a 12-inch wide 3-in-1 combination sheet metal machine. It's got a shear, brake, and a slip roller. And it weighs a metric ton. So this should be pretty cool. Is it all one piece? Alright, I'm going to hoist this up on my workbench here, off camera, so I don't embarrass myself. Alright, that was heavy. This is a great excuse for me to clean up my space over here a bit. Let's check this thing out. I'd also like to mention that they gave me some cut-resistant polyurethane grip gloves, which is pretty good for working with sharp sheet metal, and these really cool metallic safety goggles. Great. Okay, so there's parts. feet. What about that? Should we try breaking something? These knobs back here, push this up. So that controls the rolling action. I'm gonna need to build a little metal stand for this thing. Let's get a new one of these. So let's see. Let's just try to even these out. Okay. Actually, I'm alrighty, I should put it on this side. Let's just go. I think it's a 20 gauge. This is pretty thin. Let's see. I think we can do this. Alright, so this is a piece of 1x2 galvanized that I had purchased. Let's see if we can just clip off a little bit of it. Let's see how that works. Just try to clip. See what happens. One second. something bent at it 90 degrees. Try this. That'd be great if I got it perfectly fine. Alright, so obviously I'm going to have to learn how to use it. This is pretty cool. What I'm hoping to do is to be able to make small little brackets out of very thin sheet metal. This is 28 gauge. Yeah, so this is pretty, I like this thing. That's missing. Found this in the box. Perfect. So it also has these fingers, so you can pull out certain parts of it and just do like the middle part. That's pretty neat. I'm probably not going to do that today. I'd like to have a better fence that comes out like this. Maybe I'll make one. That'd be pretty cool. Yeah, I like this thing. Now, admittedly, I don't have any brackets to make right now. Yeah, who knows? Maybe I'll find a use for it shortly. What do you guys think? It's super heavy. I obviously need to upgrade my Workbench. I'm super pumped to just have it in my garage. Thanks, Mom and Dad. You guys are great. I know they're looking forward to seeing me finish that car. It was sitting in their driveway for 18 years, and now at this point, it's been here for 2 years, so... Oh man, it hasn't run for 20 years. I don't know where these go. Over here. So these seem to put pressure here on these bearings. I don't know what this one does. Leave that loose. They're beating up on this a little bit too much. I have no idea how to use it, but yeah, I will learn. Cool, so if you have any questions, I'm probably not the right person to ask. It's just because I don't know what I'm doing. Thanks for watching anyway. See you later.